everybody, and I'm Lonnie with Everything Nature. Today we are going to be talking about pyrite. Now, pyrite is a really cool mineral. It is a combination of iron and sulfur, which makes it an iron sulfide. And as you can see, it's sort of a really nice silvery, brass, metallic color, which actually is kind of how it got its common name, fool's gold. It does look a little bit like gold, so you can sort of imagine if you were a prospector out, during the gold rush, and you found this big chunk of what you thought was going to be your payday, and then it turned out it's just pyrite. You might feel kind of foolish. Personally, I like pyrite better than real gold, but pyrite really is pretty cool. It's not useless at all. People use it actually to make batteries, radio receivers, and they even use it in the paper industry. And back in the old days, like the 16th and 17th century, they actually used it as a very early igniter for firearms. Take pyrite and hit it against metal, it'll actually spark, which is how pyrite even got its name, because pyre is the Greek word for fire. One of the nicest forms of pyrite, we have these really wonderful little cubes. And these can actually get quite large. This is just a little baby one, sort of. But you can see really they're almost like a mirror. You can see the reflection of my camera there. These are really, really, really cool. I love them. Now these are definitely more of your typical type pyrite with some of the octahedrons and dodecahedrons. You can see the nice crystal structure there. Very nice and sparkly. Now this one's a little bit cooler because this is actually some pyrite mixed with quartz crystal. And you can actually have pyrite mixed with other types of minerals, such as fluorite, like you see here, quartz, and other types. Now this is a really nice piece of pyrite. This is what we call a pyrite sun. You can see it's very flat, disc-shaped. These are actually formed between layers of shale and coal. And so the crystal structure forms in a flat layer. Now this is a really neat little type of pyrite. This is a pyrite nodule or sphere. It's got several other different names. But if you look really close, you can see it actually does still have the little cubes. So pyrite, even though it is in a round shape, it still likes to be in a cube. And what's cool is if you break these open, it's almost like a starburst pattern inside. But I don't want to break this one open because it's my only one. If I get another one, maybe I'll break it open. Personally, I think some of the most beautiful pyrite has a little more biological shape. You can actually get fossils that have been fossilized into pyrite instead of stone. Some of the different fossils you can find are sea stars, like this brittle star, seashells like brachiopods and clams, and of course, ammonites. Ammonites are some of the most beautiful pyrite fossils because you can actually see some of the small crystals inside the chambers. Well, I hope you guys learned some really cool facts about pyrite today. I hope you had some fun and have a new appreciation for fool's gold. Thank you very much, and we'll see you guys next time. If you love learning about cool nature-y things, please like this video and subscribe to Everything Nature. Thank you very much. Today, learn that it's... Cora, hey, please stop crying. Give me like 2 more minutes, okay? Boop, 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 boop. Don't put that in the video.